In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign a document or a PDF file using Dropbox. So you can do this using the free version of Dropbox, and I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go to dropbox.com. You can get here by just Googling Dropbox, and you can create a free account if you haven't already. Now you need to get your file uploaded to Dropbox. So go upload and drop, then click on file. That will then open your file explorer. From here, you can go and find your document. I'm just going to upload this resume for the video, which is a PDF file. So we can click on it and we can click open, and it will then upload that document. Now, once you've got that document in Dropbox, you should see it, should be on all files. You can then go ahead and double click on it. Now, here is that file. Now, if you go to the top right, you can zoom out. So let's zoom out to 100, and then we'll go ahead and click on sign. We can then click sign yourself, and that will then load up in the signature editor. Now, once you're in the signature editor, you can either draw your signature, you can type it, you can upload an image, or if you have one saved, it will be here. I'm going to click on draw, and then we can just start to draw the signature. I won't draw my real one, I'll just kind of write here KnowledgeBase. Okay, so that was terrible, but you get the gist. To be honest, it's not that bad if you draw your actual signature. I was just kind of making one up. You know, some signature like editors, they are a bit clunky, but this one feels okay. You can also just type it out as well. So I could just type out KnowledgeBase. So we could go with that. We can then click insert, and it will insert it into the PDF file. So here it is. You can kind of choose where it goes. So you can then put it onto a line. And then if you click on it, you can make it bigger, smaller, and you can drag it around. So it is pretty responsive. It is quite good. Some PDF editors, once you insert it, you can't move it. But that's not the case with Dropbox. Once you're happy with those changes, you can click save, and it will then save your document back to Dropbox. Once that's done, I'll show you how to download it. Alright, so now we've saved the document. It should then take you back to your document, and it will then take you to the signed version, which is here. You then go file, go download, and it will then download that signed version of your file. Just go ahead and click save and download it. That's all you do. I hope that helped you out.